Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to be sharing some advice to help you keep your washing machine safe. We also have a range of other videos with helpful safety tips for a range of different appliances that we'll link down in the description and also at the end of this video. But first, let's talk washing machines. When buying a washing machine, there are a few things to consider. If you're buying one from new, make sure it's from a reputable source. And if you're buying one second-hand, make sure that you can see the British or European safety mark, as this indicates that the appliance meets national or international quality standards. Another thing to consider is your washing needs. If you use your machine a lot or you get through a lot of laundry in your household, you may want to consider buying a larger machine with a big drum. Frequently washing loads heavier than your machine's designed for, or washing loads straight after the next, will put pressure on the internal parts of your machine. Over time, this can cause them to prematurely break and can even cause your machine to overheat. So if you do have bulkier items that need cleaning, such as duvets, don't cram them into your machine. You can take them to the dry cleaners and they'll be cleaned more effectively and your machine won't be overworked. Now, a good tip for any appliance is to not leave it running when you're not around. This includes leaving your washing machine running when you're out the house or sleeping, so it's best to be aware and alert of anything that could go wrong during the cycle. There are, however, some appliances that are always on in your home, such as your fridge and freezer, so it's a good idea to make sure you have a smoke detector on every floor of your home. At eSpares, we do have a range from battery operated to mains powered. We even have a smart Wi-Fi smoke detector that you can operate from your mobile phone. So we'll link how to find all of these on our website down in the description. Now, our next tip is to make sure that you only wash items that your machine's designed for. For example, if you're washing trousers, make sure that you remove the belts, as a belt buckle can smash against the glass, causing it to shatter. Also, make sure that you remove anything from pockets, such as hairpins, coins, screws and other small items like this, as they can puncture the internal parts of your machine to cause blockages and even safety issues. The filter is designed to catch small objects like these, and it's located at the base of your machine, and we recommend that you clean it out regularly to save any damage to any internal parts. And as you can see, this one is in need of a bit of a clean, so I'm going to go and run it under some hot water. So if I just open the door to show you the drum, if you do notice any foreign objects stuck in the drum, be sure to remove it straight away, as running the machine with it in there is a bad idea for both the safety and the lifespan of your appliance. You can learn how to remove stuck items in our video here, just in case this does ever happen to you. Another piece of advice, and something you may not know, is that sometimes manufacturers can spot safety risks with certain models of their machines, leading to an appliance recall. So to make sure you keep in the loop about whether your appliance needs to be recalled or not, make sure you register it with the manufacturer. If you're unsure as to whether your appliance is registered or not, check online. A quick internet search is all it takes for you to find out whether you have an unsafe washing machine in your home, so it's well worth it. Lastly, another piece of advice that applies to all of your appliances: if you have any warning signs they may be unsafe, don't ignore them. Strange sounds, sparks, burning smells, or even leaks coming from your washing machine should be investigated straight away. Hopefully, we've given you some knowledge here to help you keep your washing machine safer. But why stop there? We have plenty of safety videos that we'll link in our appliance safety playlist down below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for easy access to hundreds of maintenance and repair videos. Thanks for watching.